Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June the 27th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, the REVEAL study of Merck Co.'s experimental CETP inhibitor anacetrapib met its primary endpoint. In the trial, the drug cut major coronary events compared to placebo in patients at risk for cardiac events who are already receiving an effective LDL cholesterol-lowering regimen. The study enrolled around 30,000 patients at high risk of cardiovascular events and investigated adding anacetrapib to effective LDL-lowering treatment with atorvastatin. Merck plans to review the results with external experts and will consider whether to file marketing applications with the FDA and other regulatory agencies. In other news, the US Congressional Budget Office estimates that draft legislation unveiled by the Senate last week to repeal Obamacare will increase the number of uninsured people in the country by 22 million by 2026. The Congressional Budget Office had previously estimated that a healthcare bill passed by the House of Representatives in May would leave 23 million more people without insurance in 2026. In addition, Bain Capital and Cinven failed to secure enough shareholder acceptances to complete their planned takeover of Stada for €5.3 billion. According to the private equity groups, investors representing only 65.52% of Stada's equity capital tendered shares, falling short of the required 67.5% target. And finally, a Phase 3 study of Alder BioPharmaceuticals' experimental CGRP inhibitor eptinezumab in patients with frequent episodic migraine met its main goal. However, the company's shares fell around 20% on the news, as results, which showed that the drug cut monthly migraine days by up to 4.3 versus 3.2 days for placebo, fell short of expectations.
To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.